Introducing the 14.3 SEER2 and 16 SEER2 top discharge condenser and air handler R410A environmentally friendly refrigerant. Both of these products have RE certification and ETL certification. 24V low voltage control. Safe, reliable, and can be used with third-party IDU. World-famous brand compressor. Quick response, stable operation, low noise, small size, and lightweight. Intelligent defrosting program. Auto-judge the defrosting time according to the system real requirement. Reduce the heating loss by unnecessary defrosting and make the indoor side more comfortable. Multi-protections to avoid unit broken. Discharge temp protection. Sensor T3 protection. Low pressure protection. High pressure protection. Anti-corrosion choice. Golden fin. Intensified moisture-proof PCB. Painted galvanized steel cabinet.
Today I'm showing you our first project, our first heat pump we installed, 18 SEER, in California 16 SEER 2.